Does Puravive's exotic rice method really work like it claims? Are they just banking on the fact that many are tired of the same old diets and exhausting exercises that feel like a never-ending battle? Puravive isn't your typical supplement. It's a natural powerhouse designed to give stubborn fat a run for its money. It's not just a weight loss solution, it's your ticket to a vibrant and healthier you. Say goodbye to the mundane and hello to a weight loss experience that's as thrilling as it is transformative. So, what makes Puravive the superhero of weight loss? Exotic rice method. Imagine fat cells melting away like they're on vacation. Puravive's groundbreaking method doesn't just target fat, it annihilates it. No more aging at warp speed or dealing with rapid weight gain. Just a slimmer, sexier version of yourself. Brown adipose tissue, B.A.T. Boost. Puravive tackles the root cause of mysterious weight gain, low B.A.T. It's not just about shedding pounds, it's about boosting B.A.T. levels for a package deal of benefits. Healthy cholesterol, sharp brain function, and an overall upgrade to your well-being. Antioxidant extravaganza. With 300 plus antioxidants on board, Puravive is your partner in crime for shedding weight and embracing a healthier lifestyle. But that's not all. Puravive is the secret sauce behind appetite control. Say adios to uncontrollable cravings. Cardiovascular bliss. Your arteries will thank you for the VIP treatment. Blood sugar ballet, keeping it balanced like a pro. Zen mode, stress reduction, anti-inflammatory vibes, and a digestion party, all in one. Oh, and did we mention a 180-day money-back guarantee? Yep, we've got your back if the thrill somehow wears off. This is something you need to at least check out and see how it works for yourself. Order now and snag 2 bonus ebooks. 1-day Kickstart Detox, 20 bizarre 15-second detox tea recipes using everyday kitchen ingredients. Renew you. Unlock stress relief, confidence boosts, and anxiety reduction hacks. Ready for the roller coaster of a lifetime? Don't miss the party. Join over 234,205 thrilled users worldwide. Dive into the excitement at the official Puravive website and kickstart your journey to a healthier, happier you. What are the active ingredients and why they help? Puravive boasts a lineup of natural ingredients carefully selected for their unique properties, each playing a crucial role in promoting effective weight loss and overall well-being. Let's dive into the powerhouse ingredients and understand why they're the secret behind Puravive's success. Amur Cork bark, why it helps. Promotes weight loss through appetite suppression and increased metabolism. Active compounds act as natural appetite suppressants, helping control cravings and reduce calorie intake. Luteolin, why it helps, enhances thermogenesis, the process by which the body generates heat and burns calories. Inhibits enzymes involved in lipid synthesis, reducing fat accumulation. White Korean ginseng, why it helps, activates cellular receptors such as PPRs, crucial in regulating energy metabolism. Exerts anti-adipogenic effects, preventing the formation and accumulation of fat cells. Propolis, why it helps, reduces body weight by preventing excess fat accumulation. Acts as a resinous substance with remarkable effects on weight loss. Oleuropein, why it helps, inhibits the activity of fatty acid synthase, responsible for converting excess carbohydrates into fatty acids for storage. Increases the expression of genes involved in fat oxidation, promoting the breakdown of stored fat for energy utilization. These ingredients work synergistically to create a powerful formula that addresses various aspects of weight loss, from appetite control to metabolic enhancement. The natural and plant-based composition ensures safety and efficacy, making Puravive a trusted ally in the journey to a healthier, fitter you.